Does microwaving your food zap away all its nutrients? You've probably heard this one before. Pop your veggies in the microwave, and they turn into a nutritional wasteland. It's a scary thought, especially if you rely on your microwave for quick meals. But is it true? Today, we're busting this common myth and uncovering the surprising truth about microwaving food. Stick with us, you might rethink your cooking habits. Let's dive into the myth. Microwaving food destroys all its nutrients. This idea has been around since microwaves became popular in the 1970s. Back then, people were skeptical about this new technology. Microwaves use radiation to heat food. Radiation, the word alone sounds alarming, and sparked fears that microwaves could ruin food's nutritional value or even make it harmful. Plus, microwaved food sometimes looks less vibrant than boiled or steamed food, so it's easy to assume it's less healthy. But science tells a different story. Let's find out what really happens when you hit that start button. So, does microwaving destroy all nutrients? The truth? No. In fact, microwaving can preserve nutrients better than some other cooking methods, like boiling. All cooking methods, boiling, steaming, frying, reduce nutrients to some degree because heat, water, and time break down vitamins and minerals. For example, boiling vegetables leaches water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins into the water, which you often pour down the drain. Microwaving, on the other hand, uses short cooking times and minimal water. This means less nutrient loss. Microwaves heat food by vibrating water molecules, cooking it quickly and evenly without soaking it. Studies show that microwaving vegetables like broccoli or spinach retains up to 90% of vitamin C and antioxidants, compared to only 60 to 70% when boiling. But what about that radiation? It's ionizing radiation, meaning it doesn't damage DNA or make food radioactive. It just heats the food, nothing scary there. Another myth. Microwaving creates harmful compounds. Research shows no evidence that microwaving produces toxins when done correctly. So microwaving isn't the nutrient killer it's made out to be. It's one of the best ways to keep your food's goodness intact. Want to make the most of your microwave? Here are 4 tips to keep your food as nutritious as possible. First, use minimal water. When microwaving veggies, add just a tablespoon of water, or none at all. This prevents nutrients from leaching out. Second, cover your food. Use a microwave-safe lid or glass container to trap steam, which helps cook food faster and preserves nutrients. Avoid plastic wraps that aren't microwave-safe. They can leach chemicals. Third, don't overcook. Set shorter cooking times and check frequently. Overcooking in any method reduces nutrients, so zap just until tender. Fourth, choose nutrient-dense foods. Microwaving works best with veggies like broccoli, spinach, or carrots, which are packed with vitamins that stay intact with quick cooking. Bonus tip: if you're worried about uneven cooking, stir your food halfway through to ensure even heating. With these tricks, your microwaved meals can be healthy, quick, and delicious. Let's tackle one more myth. Does microwaving make food taste worse? It's not true. The quick cooking time actually helps retain natural flavors, especially in vegetables compared to boiling, which can make them soggy. Plus, microwaving is versatile. You can steam, reheat, or even cook grains like quinoa in minutes. So, the myth that microwaving food destroys all nutrients is officially debunked. It's safe, efficient, and one of the best ways to preserve your food's vitamins and minerals. Next time you're in a rush, feel confident using that microwave. What other kitchen myths have you heard? Maybe you've been told microwaves cause cancer or ruin food texture? Drop them in the comments, we might debunk them next. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more myth-busting science. Share this with a friend who's scared of their microwave. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.